My name is John, and I am a project design specialist. The day-to-day really is all almost the same, but almost different every day. Most of the time we're meeting with homeowners to design a repair plan to fix their foundation of their house if it does need fixing. Well, being in foundation repair, it's mostly a foundation issue. So we want to go ahead and fix that, from it being settlement issues to lateral movement issues to hillside issues. We want to go ahead and fix that because a house is most likely a family's biggest investment, and we want to make sure we bring them peace of mind towards that. Most important thing my customers are going to experience with me is probably my life motto, is make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. So right off the bat, we're gonna have to be in a great positive attitude. Well, my family consists of my fiance Mackenzie and our daughter Waverly, which we just welcomed into this world back in August. You know, they mean everything to me, and I'm very blessed. Family means everything to me. It's family first, that's what I've been taught since the cradle to something I live out in every day. What I like to do for fun is barbecue. I love cooking. I personally like to smoke my barbecue. I think it's the best. You're gonna get the best flavor, you're gonna get the best color, presentation, everything. So, love it. Hey guys, if you're interested in reaching out to us about your home's foundation, give our office a call and we'll help schedule a time for me to come on out, take a look and see what's going on.